beyond the sea, somewhere waiting for me. My lover stands on golden sands and watches the ships that go sailing. Somewhere beyond the sea, she's there watching for me. If I could fly like birds on high, then straight to her arms I'll go sailing. It's far beyond the stars, it's near beyond the moon. I know beyond a doubt my heart will lead me there soon. We'll meet beyond the shore, we'll kiss just like before. Happy we'll be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go sailing. Beyond a doubt, my heart will lead me there soon. Oh, we'll meet, I know we'll meet beyond the shore. We'll kiss just as before. Happy we will be beyond the sea, and never again I'll go sailing. Sailing, so long sailing, sailing, no more sailing. Goodbye, farewell, my friend, no more sailing. So long sailing, no more sailing. No more farewell. No more sailing, no more. Oh, no more sailing, no more, no more, no more sailing. One more time, no more sailing.
Distance, ribbon of black, stretched to the point of no turning back. Flight of fancy on a windswept field, standing alone, my senses reel. Fatal attraction that's holding me fast. How can I escape its irresistible grasp? Can't keep navigator to find my way home. Unladen, empty, and turned to stone. The sole intention is learning to fly. Condition grounded, but determined to try. Can't keep my eyes from the circling skies. Tongue-tied and twisted, just an earthbound misfit.
Set. Mixtures rich. Propellers flaps set. 10 degrees. Gauges suction check. Set. Transponder set. Recheck. Check that.
Across the clouds I see my shadow fly. Out of the corner of my watering eye, I dream unthreatened by the morning light. Could blow this soul right through the roof of the night. There's no sensation to compare with this. Suspended animation, state of bliss. Can't keep my mind from the circling sky. Tongue-tied and twisted, just an earthbound distant eye.
L'orte è una sorta di arte marziale o di pratiche zen o una virtù sciamanica. La for di nu pare entrata al cuore del mondo, dalla natura.